on 2022, when the first PGR score was given, we have seen our score. Subsequently, during last 5 years, we have seen there is an improvement. But that improvement, it is not reflect in the ranking, because as Honorable Chief Minister mentioned already, there are so many factors which we don't do. Having said that, I'm very happy that in this year 2025-26, the latest PGI ranking which have been released by the Ministry of Education, that the Meghalaya education in Meghalaya have jumped from the Akanshi 3 to Akanshi 1. If you recall, 2024-25, Meghalaya is the lone state which are in Akanshi 3. And we inform you that in the next PGI score, it will reflect all the work, the hard work, which the government of Meghalaya and all the stakeholders are doing. So that's why within from Akanshi 1, there is Akanshi bracket, but we jump straight from Akanshi 3, there is Akanshi 2, but we jump straight to Akanshi 1. So no state since the inception, since the institution of this PGI score has able to jump 2 grades in 1 year. So this is a very happy moment for the education department, and more importantly for the people of the state. As I used to say that it is work in progress. When the people are telling that the Meghalaya is always at the bottom of the ranking, we admit. But we know that we are doing great work. That's why let me quote the words of Samuel Smile. Great results cannot be achieved at once, and we must satisfy to advance in life as we walk step by step. So this progressive in ranking in quality education since 2018 under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister is because we have identified what we have to do, and more importantly, we are doing what it is need to be done.